Okay, my dear students, today is my first class for this sem. After the completion of offline classes for the first sem, as you know, the conditions what we have faced until now and also we are facing due to the infection of COVID-19 and the spread of that virus throughout the worldwide, and also what is the situation of our country in these circumstances, and also you came to know about the state of our country, our districts and our villages now also. So again we are in the same way to conduct the online classes because of these circumstances, and the syllabus allotted for me is comparative anatomy. Comparative means comparison. In all vertebrate classes, that is pisces, amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammals. By taking a particular example, like in fish, shark; in amphibia, frog; in reptilia, the lizard; in aves, birds like pigeon; and in mammal, the mammal like rat. We will compare, and for your syllabus, university has allotted few particular organs and system, like integument. First topic in comparative anatomy. Comparative anatomy, comparison of internal structure. Anatomy, as you know, the study of internal structure of organisms is called anatomy. So first topic is integument or the skin, its derivatives and its functions. No comparison of the skin, only skin of mammal is taken with its diagrammatic representation, its structure and some of its derivatives along with the functions of skin. That I am going to tell, that I am going to teach. Then about comparative anatomy of heart. That is also for my syllabus. Heart of all vertebrates: fish, amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammals. Before that, another topic is there: digestive system of all vertebrates. The same examples are going to be considered. Their digestive system, comparison and comparative anatomy. That is going to be dealt by another colleague, Asma ma'am. And then aortic arches of all vertebrates, comparative anatomy or comparison. And lastly, comparative anatomy of brain of all vertebrates. So integument and its derivatives, comparative anatomy of heart, aortic arches in vertebrates, and lastly comparative anatomy of brain. Except the digestive system, all these topics are going to be taught or dealt by me only. Okay, today we're going to start with the actual syllabus. That is the comparative anatomy of heart. We'll see the integument later. Comparative anatomy of heart. Before going to the actual points to study on comparative anatomy of heart, we must know the basic things about the heart, the fundamental ideas about the heart. For that, we're going to consider the good example, that is human heart. Before that, heart is mainly concerned with circulation. Circulation means it is nothing but the flow of blood in the body, that is from heart to aorta, aorta to arteries, arteries to blood vessels, blood vessels to blood capillaries, and from blood capillaries to the cells and tissues, means the blood capillaries ends in cells and tissues, where the exchange of nutrients and the removal of waste products like waste products of nitrogenous metabolism and the CO2 for their ultimate removal from the body. So after the exchange of nutrients and oxygen in between the blood capillaries and the cells, tissues or organs, that blood which is mixed with impurities and carbon dioxide is taken by the blood capillaries, then venules, veins, then to the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, so that blood will be back to the heart. Starting from the heart, then the blood will be back to the heart. There will be a complete circulation of blood. This is called circulation, or the flow of blood, or circulatory system, or cardiovascular system. Circulation or circulatory system or cardiovascular system of human body or in any other vertebrates. So in animal kingdom, we will find for the first time in the year 1628, a scientist by name William Harvey studied circulation in man and described it. So after that, we will find two types of circulation in animals. One is open circulation, another one is closed circulation. Open circulation and closed circulation. Open circulation, the blood flows in ill-defined blood vessels. In the sense, blood flows in hemocoelomic spaces, no blood capillaries. There is no blood capillaries, there is no arteries, aorta, blood vessels. That means blood flows in hemocoelomic spaces, that in the sense, in the body cavity. There is no blood vessels. Such type of circulation is called open circulation.